Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Portmore Resilience Park. And we're also going to show you the Portmore Mall. Now this area of Portmore with the park and the mall, well, the Portmore Mall is the largest mall in Portmore. Very successful mall. It has everything you need for a successful mall, built in a populated area, has a supermarket, food stores, etc. Now, across the road from the mall is where they're building this massive Portmore Resilience Park. It's going to have a few stores that you can rent for commercial use, but the main objective of the park is basically to build a green area, a park for Portmore. It's 26 acres, and you can see some of the buildings are far along, but the park should open sometime either late December or early January 2026. And here, straight ahead is some of the housing complexes in Portmore. And Portmore has a lot of homes. Okay, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. But we're going to show you the mall, which is literally right across the road. So when this facility is finished, it's going to be a massive economic area for Portmore. Okay, so this is the mall now, and of course, when we talk about a successful mall, that store that we're flying into now, or flying over to, is KFC. Not the one at the bottom of the screen, the one in the middle of the screen where you have the red walls. And then behind that is one section of the Portmore Mall. And it's actually an indoor mall. In Jamaica, they use the word mall and plaza interchangeably. But this one is actually a mall where you walk in and all the stores are on the inside. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening out here. The construction of the Portmore Resilience Park marks one of the most ambitious and transformative urban development projects in Jamaica's history. Located in the heart of Portmore St. Catherine, this modern recreational and commercial complex is designed to strengthen the city's social fabric, provide vital green spaces, and promote economic activity through integrated development. Together with the adjoining commercial facilities, often referred to as the Portmore Mall expansion, the project represents a bold step towards making Portmore a model of sustainable and climate-smart urban growth. The Portmore Resilience Park spans more than 20 acres within the Portmore Town Centre and is being developed by the Urban Development Corporation. Valued at over $4.4 billion, the park's construction officially began in early 2024 and is scheduled to be completed in 2025. The development is part of the government's broader commitment to build climate-resilient infrastructure and improve citizens' access to modern public spaces. Designed as a smart green park, the facility combines recreation, environmental education, and commercial activity in a single integrated layout. When completed, the park will feature a wide range of amenities: landscape gardens, outdoor gyms, jogging trails, multi-purpose courts, and an indoor sports facility for basketball, badminton, and table tennis. A large multi-purpose event area will host cultural and community events, while the inclusion of solar-powered lighting, rainwater harvesting systems, and drought-tolerant landscaping highlights Jamaica's shift to sustainable design. The park will also incorporate a transportation hub, improving mobility and easing congestion in Portmore's town centre. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.